Bitcoin City. Will it work? El Salvador, the first country to adopt Bitcoin as legal tender, is now building an entire city powered by Bitcoin. It's called Bitcoin City, a futuristic, tax-free metropolis fueled by geothermal energy from a volcano. Sounds like a sci-fi movie? Maybe. But construction is planned, and bonds are already being issued. So, will it work? Or is this a financial experiment too risky for a small nation? Let's dive into the vision, the progress so far, and the major challenges behind Bitcoin. City. Back in 2021, El Salvador's president Nayib Bukele made headlines when he made Bitcoin legal tender. But he didn't stop there. He proposed something even bolder. A city with no income tax, no capital gains tax, and no property tax, only a value-added tax to fund infrastructure. This is Bitcoin City, built near the Concagua volcano 100%, powered by geothermal energy financed through Bitcoin-backed volcano bonds. The government hopes it will attract foreign investment, digital nomads, and crypto companies. It's marketed as a place for innovation, freedom, and economic transformation. To fund Bitcoin City, El Salvador launched what it calls volcano bonds, $1 billion worth of government bonds, half of which would go to buying Bitcoin, and the other half into building infrastructure. Investors were promised a 6.5% annual return, plus potential gains from the appreciation of Bitcoin. But here's the thing, the bond sale has been delayed multiple times, and with Bitcoin's extreme price swings, investor appetite has been cautious to say the least. So, how much of Bitcoin City actually exists today? As of mid-2025, the project remains mostly on paper. Some land has been allocated, there are concept designs, and some roads have been built. But no major construction has started yet. El Salvador has launched a digital asset regulatory framework and is partnering with crypto firms to attract investment. But Bitcoin City itself is still in its early planning stage. There are some serious concerns. Bitcoin's volatility makes it a risky foundation for a national economy. El Salvador's national debt is growing, and some economists warn that the country is taking on too much financial risk. The infrastructure costs for a brand new city are enormous, and while crypto is exciting, it's still a niche market, especially for large-scale urban development. Critics argue that the government should focus more on education, healthcare, and economic stability before pursuing an experimental city. Despite the risks, Bitcoin City represents something unique, a real-world attempt to build a new kind of economy, one that's decentralized, tech-driven, and independent of traditional financial systems. Whether or not the city succeeds, it's already pushing the conversation forward. Can crypto support public infrastructure? Can a small country lead global financial innovation? Can Bitcoin become more than just digital gold? El Salvador is gambling big. If it works, it could become a global example. If it fails, it may serve as a cautionary tale. So, will Bitcoin City become the world's first crypto-powered utopia, or fade away as just another dream that never left the drawing board? Let us know what you think in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future updates on crypto, tech, and bold ideas shaping our world. This video reflects personal opinions only and is for informational and educational purposes. It is not financial advice or an investment recommendation. Always do your own research and speak with a financial advisor if needed.